Great tips for caring for a canine companion. Dogs are unlike any other animals you can own as a pet. They love you unconditionally, cheer you up when you are down, and want you to love them as much as they do you. This video will tell you how to make your dog's life as amazing as it deserves it to be. Keep on top of fleas. Not only can fleas cause infection in your dog, if one is swallowed, your pet can get tapeworms as well. Speak to your veterinarian about the best prevention method, but remember that this is not a one-shot deal. You will have to continue your efforts over the life of your pet. Be wary of the flea treatment you're going to use on your dog. Many of them contain ingredients that can put children at risk for cancer at a rate that is 1,000 times more than what the EPA considers safe. Talk to the vet about different forms of treatment that are safer for use around small kids. When training your puppy or dog, keep the sessions short. Experts say that a dog has the attention span of a small child, sometimes less, and that longer sessions will actually cause him to forget everything you've learned together. Use positive reinforcement and limit your training sessions to no more than 15 minutes. Always be prepared to pick up after your dog with a scoop and bag. Although most people think that this is simply a polite thing to do so that others don't step in it, your dog's excrement is actually hazardous. It contains a bacterium that can contaminate local supplies when it washes through to groundwater. All of these hints are now at your fingertips, so it is time to make use of them. Take them each, one by one, and start using them every day. The more you change about your dog's life, the better it will be overall. A happy dog makes for a happy owner, after all. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.